What's the one thing that can instantly transform your video from feeling amateur to professional? It's the sound. But finding the right sound effects and syncing them up can be a huge headache. What if I told you AI could do all that heavy lifting for you? Stay tuned, and I'll show you how. Welcome, everyone. It's me, that internet guy. And if you've ever spent hours searching for the perfect sound effect, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool called the FlexClip AI Video to SFX Sound Effects Generator. This AI is about to become your new best friend for sound design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to write the perfect description to make the AI generate accurate, realistic sounds. Generate and preview your new soundscape with a single click. Export just the sound effects as a separate MP3 file for use in other projects. Use pro tips to layer sounds and use emotional language for even better results. Section 1. Upload and describe the secret sauce. Okay, open up your web browser and go to FlexClip.com. Now, you'll need to log in. Just click Sign in the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Signing up is super quick and completely free. Click AI Tools in the left column. Find Video to AI, SFX Generator, and click on it. I have added the link to this page in the description below. Click on Upload and choose your video clip from your computer. If you don't have a video, FlexClip has an extensive AI stock library to choose from. A quick but important note: for the AI to work best, your video should be under a minute long. This keeps the AI focused and fast. In the left column, click AI Tools, scroll down to Video, then click Video to AI SFX. Now, here is the most important part: writing your description. This is the secret sauce. The AI isn't watching your video. It's reading your words to understand what sounds to create. So you need to be its eyes. My short video features a man walking in the rain. Instead of just saying a man walking, get more descriptive. Try something like a person in dress shoes, walking briskly down a rainy city sidewalk at night with a few cars going by. See the difference? The more vivid your description, the better and more accurate your sound effects will be. Finally, you'll see an option to keep or remove your original audio. If your clip already has dialogue or music you want to keep, turn off Remove Original Audio. If it's completely silent or you want a total sound overhaul, choose Remove. For this tutorial, let's go with Remove. Section 2. Generate and preview the magic moment. Ready for the magic? Just click the Generate button. In just a few seconds, the AI will work its wonders. It analyzes your video's visual cues and matches them to the sounds described in your text. And just like that, it's finished. Let's preview it. Wow, listen to that. The footsteps match the stride. The city ambience fills the background. And it all just works. The AI handles the timing and synchronization automatically. It's pretty incredible, right? If you don't love the first result, don't worry. You can click Generate again. The AI will create a slightly different soundscape each time, so you can pick your favorite. It's all about experimenting. Section 3. Download and advanced tips going pro. If you're happy with your new sound-enhanced video, you can just hit download and choose the MP4 format. You're done. But what if you just want the sound effects? Maybe you want to use this AI-generated track in a different editing software, like Cyberlink Power Director or CapCut. Here's a pro tip. Instead of downloading directly, click the Edit button. This will take you into the FlexClip full editor. On the timeline, you'll see your new video with audio. Now, when you go to export, click on Download, and this time, choose MP3 as your format. This will give you a clean, standalone audio file that you can use anywhere. This is a huge workflow saver. And here are 2 more beginner tips to make your videos even better. 1. Layer your sounds. The AI is great, but sometimes you might want a specific sound it missed. In the FlexClip editor, you can upload your own sound effects and layer them on top of the AI track. For example, you could add a specific bird chirp or a louder car horn. 2. Describe the emotion. Don't just describe the actions, describe the feeling. Instead of a person walking, try a nervous person walking quickly down a dark alley. The AI might add a subtle, tense musical cue, or a different type of ambient wind to match that emotion. It's a powerful way to add depth. Conclusion and recap. And that's a wrap. To quickly recap, in this video we covered how to use the FlexClip AI Video to SFX sound effects tool to automatically generate sound for your video clip. Craft a detailed description that acts as the secret sauce for great AI audio. Download your final video or export just the SFX sound effects track as an MP3 using a simple pro tip. Enhance your sound by layering effects and describing the emotion of a scene. You now have the skills to add a layer of professional, polished sound design to your videos in minutes. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more simple, straightforward guides. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.